Dear Rosans, as we approach the end of 2023, please let's be reminded of our annual class due of 100,000 naira and the modest individual monthly due of 1,000 naira. This isn't merely a call for contributions, it's an invitation to shape the future of our alma mater. Your support fuels a greater purpose to fortify the school's infrastructure, enhance educational resources, and provide opportunities that propel our institution to new heights. Your dues aren't just financial commitments, they are investment in the aspiration of future generations. Together, we can create an environment where excellence thrives and where students have access to the tools they need to succeed. Let's build a legacy that stands the test of time, a legacy that resonates with progress, unity, and the collective dedication of Rosans. Join us in elevating Remo Secondary School to its fullest potential. Join us to make RSS great again. Up school, up RSS. Up Rosans, we are great for God and Fatherland.